Hey everyone, welcome to another Keymate AI use case video. Today we're going to be using the Keymate GPT as a research assistant to help us find news and article for a related topic. So for this video, I'm going to be using AI as the topic, and I'm going to be pulling 15 different stories. Let's go ahead and let's look at the prompt to see exactly what I'm saying. So I said, summarize the AI news from the past week, provide a short one-sentence summary, and a link to the article. I want 15 different stories ranked from the most impactful on the ecosystem to the least. So obviously, the specifics of this prompt can be changed for whatever your needs are. The reason I chose to have the stories filtered from most to least impact is because there's, every week there's so much in terms of updates and interesting news in the AI space, but it can be hard to sift through that. So I'm using Keymate to help alleviate some of that work that I would have to do. So as you can see, it's created 15 unique one-sentence summaries and provided a link to each of the articles. And if you clicked on read more, it would actually take you to the article. So now what we're going to do is we're going to save these responses to my Keymate memory. There's a couple reasons why this is useful, but in particular, this will allow us to reference this information at a later date and recall it as we want. So I went ahead and I said, now save this response and the links to my Keymate memory. And it's going to ask us to confirm. And once I hit yes, it's going to go ahead and provide us a link to the Keymate Memory Manager. So you can go ahead and click that, and it will take you to the next screen. All right, now that we've clicked on the link that the Keymate GPT gave us, you can see that we're in my personal Keymate Memory Manager. This recently just had a UI change, and in that UI change there are now two main areas, one of them being the libraries. You can see here that has PDFs and folders, and you can access all of your saved items that way. But we're going to use search for this. So we're going to go back to search, and we're going to type in that label that we named it called AI News, and then we're going to search for it that way. And this will search through your entire Keymate memory. And you can see right there the first thing from chats, because that's where we saved it, so it labels it that way. And then with the actual label we gave it, called AI News, we can see all 15 of our unique stories as well as the summary. So from here, you could take a summary from one thing, from one story, and interact with it however you want, or of course you can just use the link that it has, because like I requested, it saved the link to each website as well. All right, everyone, that's it for this Keymate AI use case video. Remember to check the description for the prompts used, and like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.